How to buy Robux on Roblox mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to top up your Robux on your iPhone or Android, I'll show you how you can do it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Roblox app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And once you are in the main interface of Roblox, here at the top right corner you can see the Robux icon. So simply tap on that. And now your current balance will be displayed at the top, and if you scroll through the options, it will start from $200 and end it with just 49 cents. You can also subscribe to a monthly plan which costs you $10 per month, but it will provide you 1000 Robux per month for that. And now select the amount that you want to buy and your App Store or Google Play payment screen will pop up. Now confirm the purchase by double clicking to pay or following the on-screen instructions on Android, and once you're done with that, the Robux will be credited to your Roblox account. And that's it. That's how you can buy Robux on Roblox mobile. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.